So if you buy it in this state and build it yourself, it's 15,000, okay? If you buy it ready built, like the States, £2,500 more.
Think of the fun of assembly.
It's not fun to do this. Your wife leaves you, she's in bed with the milkman, and you're like, oh, where's my front suspension unit?
Sodding socket thing that you need to take that out. Do you know where it is? Do you know where it is?
No.
Do you know what it looks like?
Yes.
No, you don't.
That's what I'm talking about. How to build a car. Broken.
Don't hit it with the hammer.
Why?
Because it's the tool of a pikey.